welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial on this look that you guys are seeing me wear right now. I really love how it turned out. I'm going out to the movies today, so I just wanted to get ready and show you how I created this look. I had an idea today of creating something like this that I haven't done in a really long time, and let's get on with the video. So I've done this eye, the eyeshadow off of camera, and I'm going to start with this one. I totally forgot that I was filming, so I already put a little bit down, but I'm just going to take the Modern Renaissance palette and take the color. I already took the color burnt orange into the transition color, and I'm taking the color Love Letter, and I'm placing that with a Morphe brush, and I'm just putting that a little bit lower than the transition color right into the crease. And to help me blend out, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. My brother is blow drying his hair, so if you can hear that, I'm sorry. Going to cut my crease with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to take the color Mercier, which is this pretty like pinkish champagne color, and I'm going to spritz it a little bit. Please ignore my very dirty beauty blender. I'm going to mix the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm going to mix that with the Born This Way foundation in the color Snow. Just because the Too Faced one is a little bit too dark for me. I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and the high points of my face. So now that that's all blended out, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm going to set all of that. To contour my face with the Cocoa Contour Kit by Too Faced. Obviously I did a harsh line, and I'm going to blend it out right now with the shade Dark Cocoa. For blush, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty in Primrose blush. Just place that right on my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using the Master Comb by Maybelline. So I'm going to line my waterline with this pinkish NYX linen pencil thing. I'm going to grab a little bit of that Love Letter color and put it on my lash line. And then grabbing a smaller brush, I'm going to take the color Tempera, and I'm going to use that as inner corner highlight. I'm grabbing a small angled brush and I'm taking that same color Love Letter and tapping it off really good. And I'm just going to follow that line underneath right here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just like that. Now that I have all of that done, I'm going to take my lip color, which is the Tarte in the color lip paint. In the color Novel. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed filming this, and don't forget to comment down below. I love replying to you guys and reading all your beautiful comments. And I hope you guys have a great day. And if it's night where you're watching, then I hope you guys have a great night. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!